You're watching Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using hPage. hPage, a simple and effective website builder for beginners. hPage is a user-friendly website builder perfect for individuals, small businesses, and non-profits seeking a straightforward, no-frills approach to creating a professional online presence. Its focus on ease of use and affordability makes it an ideal choice for beginners who may be intimidated by coding or complex website building features. Building your website with hPage is a breeze thanks to its intuitive drag-and-drop editor. You can effortlessly create and customize your site using a variety of mobile-responsive templates catered to diverse industries. Whether you're building a personal blog, a portfolio, or a small business website, hPage has a template to get you started. Personalizing these templates is simple. Add text, images, videos, and other key elements with just a few clicks. While hPage design options may not be as extensive as some more advanced website builders, its emphasis on simplicity ensures accessibility for users of all skill levels. hPage also recognizes the importance of search engine optimization, SEO, and provides essential tools to help your website rank higher in search results. You can directly optimize your site's metadata, keywords, and image alt tags within the editor, improving your visibility to potential visitors. For businesses, hPage offers features like contact forms, social media integration, and guest books to enhance user engagement and facilitate communication. One of hPage's most attractive features is its budget-friendly pricing. A free plan allows users to explore the platform before committing, and the paid plans are competitively priced, offering excellent value. Upgrading to a paid plan unlocks additional benefits like custom domains, increased storage, and more advanced customization options. While hPage excels in simplicity and affordability, it does lack some advanced features found in other website builders, such as built-in e-commerce functionality and extensive third-party integrations. This might make it less suitable for users with more complex website requirements. hPage is best suited for creating straightforward websites that don't demand a wide range of functionalities. In summary, hPage is a great choice for beginners and small-scale website projects. Its simplicity, affordability, and user-friendly interface make it an excellent option for personal websites, small businesses, and non-profits looking to establish a professional online presence. Check out the links in the description to learn more about hPage and determine if it meets your specific needs. This review should help you decide if hPage is the right website builder for your project.